What's up, y'all? My name is Devin, the DIY Lawn Coach. Hope you're having a great day. Hope everything's going well for you. Happy Thanksgiving. From myself, I just want to wish you guys a happy Thanksgiving. Hope you're able to spend some time with friends, family, eat some food, watch some football. Enjoy the video today, guys. It's kind of a sad day for me, if I'm being perfectly honest. The lawn season is kind of coming to an end for not only myself, but for a lot of you guys as well. So today we're throwing down our last fertilizer application of the year. So lawn has really slowed down. I checked out the 10-day forecast and we're gonna get down into the 30s, highs in the 50s. So things are really gonna start slowing down. So I wanna get this down. I'm gonna show you guys what we're throwing down today. Let's go, let's get into the video.
Hollering myself awake,
So when it comes to your winterizer application, you know, I made a video about this a little bit earlier, a couple weeks ago, and you don't necessarily have to use a specific fertilizer, all right? So again, the term winterizer just means the last application of fertilizer that you're gonna make for the year. Ideally, we want it to be high in nitrogen, you know, but that doesn't necessarily have to be true. You know, we just don't want something with slow release. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got today here in just a second. But if you've never ordered anything off of Yard Mastery website, super easy. Here in my area, it ships extremely fast. Prices are very affordable considering, you know, what you would pay in maybe a big box store. Comes in this brown box. I order it on a Tuesday. It's usually here, you know, maybe on a Thursday or a Friday. So ships really fast, really convenient, and I just like it. So this is what I ordered. Let's open this up and show you guys. All right. So what better fertilizer to throw down on Thanksgiving than Freedom? Again, I mentioned this in a previous video. I love this fertilizer. You know, it makes a great winterizer as well. It's got a little bit of slow release, got a little bit of quick release in it, so it's gonna do great. 17% nitrogen, 7% phosphorus, and 6% potassium or potash. Just makes an all-around great fertilizer. It is gonna green up the lawn a little bit, but again, the winterizer application, we're not so much focused on the application for this year. We're really doing this for spring of next year. So let's talk for a minute about how much nitrogen we're actually putting down with this application. So just kind of a quick refresher for how we do this. So you take the first number, which it stands for nitrogen, so 17% of this bag, of this entire bag, is nitrogen. Bag weighs 45 pounds, so you take 45 and you multiply that times 0.17, and that comes out to be 7.65. So in this entire bag of fertilizer, there is 7.65 pounds of nitrogen in this whole bag. 17 times 0.17 or 17%, so 45 times 0.17 equals 7.65. Total pounds of nitrogen in this bag. I'm gonna take this bag and I want it to cover my entire lawn, my 20,000 square feet. So that's 20 1,000 square foot sections. So if I wanna figure out how many pounds of nitrogen I'm gonna put down per 1,000, you take that 7.65 and you would divide that by 20 1,000 square foot sections. And I think that comes out to be 0.38. So just about 1/3 of a pound of nitrogen per 1,000, which is perfect. That's exactly what I want. Again, we're not putting this down for today. We're putting this down for next spring. So let's open this bag up and get it spread out. Now, if you look on a bag of fertilizer, it'll tell you kind of a generic setting to set it on. So I have an Earthway, so it says to set it on 14. So we're gonna come in here, and actually, because I've done this so many times, I know I'm gonna actually set it on 16. So we'll set the dial to 16, then we can open this up and throw it out. But this is what the prill looks like if you've never seen it before. It looks great, so let's get it spread out. So if you're wondering, am I too late to put down my winterizer? And here's what I'll tell you. As long as your ground's not frozen, you don't have any snow on the ground, throw her down. Again, we're not doing this application for today. We're doing this for next spring. So ideally, the fertilizer is just gonna lay there, maybe get taken up a little bit, but ideally it's just gonna lay there until next year. So as long as you don't have snow on the ground and your ground's not frozen, throw it down. You'd rather be early than wait and then, accidentally get snow on the ground. So don't hesitate. Again, happy Thanksgiving to you guys. Hope you are having a great day. Enjoy time with your friends, with your family. Enjoy your football games. I'm super thankful. I'm so thankful that I serve a God that went to the cross, died for me. He died for you so that all my sins could be forgiven. I don't claim to be sinless. I'm not sinless. There's only one person who walked the face of this earth that was sinless, but so thankful to serve that God. And I'm thankful for my friends. I'm thankful for my family. I have a beautiful wife, 2 beautiful kids. I'm so thankful for my health. And I'm thankful that I live in a country where, I can get out here and be silly and stand around with a video camera and talk about my grass. Hope you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving. I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you check out the podcast that I'm doing every Sunday called Lawns and Life. Having a lot of fun over there. I'd love for you to check it out. I'll leave a link right up here. I'll see you guys over there. Peace.